Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Doing a tune-up report today on the Galaxy DX 929. This is for Lionel in Kansas. Lionel has us put a Top Gun modulator in here, so that's going to be a switch in the back. We're going to show you that a little bit later. First, the power of the radio. Got the radio turned all the way down. We're using the top scale there. All the way down is 1. And if I turn it all the way up, it's 6. Peak power over here, 50 watt slug, be in the middle scale there.
Audio in the middle, that's 30. Audio, check, 32.
Okay. So that's your peak power and your carriers. Now I'm going to turn it down again to where it's 1. Alright. I can't hold the constant tone to show you this difference. So I'm going to use a tone generator. Okay. So here's our power. Constant tone inserted. I got low power on the radio. And now when I throw the Top Gun modulator, I'm going to have the same low power dead key. 1 watt. With a much larger peak power. 30 watts. See that? Now, yeah, if I try to show you that with audio, the audio limiter is too damn slow in these radios.
Audio keeps jumping up there like that. Audio.
And then I turn it on.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Audio, check. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Audio.
Okay. Anyway, so that's really advantageous for the shootout types. Gives you a higher RMS power there without overdriving the amplifier. Alright, that's about it there. Put it on the air real quick. Anybody know what to talk to, but we'll try.